You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these English, British actress correctly. If you want to learn more celebrity names, make sure to stay tuned. Known for different roles in sex education, The White Lotus. Aimee, it could be Aimee, that would be the French pronunciation. That's where the word comes from, but her name is pronounced Aimee Lou Wood. Aimee Lou Wood. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.